friends, welcome back to my channel and now you are watching another video of hotel. In this video, we try to explain all the details about this hotel like location, landmark, reviews, amenities of the hotel and room category and facilities also. As you can see, this great hotel location. And here is the nearby attractions and landmark also. You can find lots of reviews and rating numbers online that are given by guests who enjoyed their stay. Its review rating is 8.8, which is the fabulous. A set of FAQs is now displayed on your screen, which may address many of your basic questions about this hotel. Next, we talk about the amenities of this hotel. So you can see on the screen. All guests will be required to present photo ID at check-in. The hotel accepts major credit cards and reserves the right to temporarily hold an amount prior to arrival. Enjoy the surroundings. One category of room is located online. You can book them online and enjoy your stay. For this hotel, along with various meals and policy. If you are planning to book it, you can do so through the link provided in the description. If you are new on this channel or you have not subscribed our channel yet, then subscribe our channel and press the bell icon so that you do not miss any video of our upcoming video. Thanks for watching the video till the end. So friends, will meet again in a new video with a new